video, and here I'm showing you how to bleach the ends of your Bohemian braids. And this is human hair. You cannot do this with synthetic hair. It would not work. Pay no attention to all the powder that I got on my shirt, but I need y'all to subscribe because I'm trying to be consistent with these videos, so I need you to subscribe if you want to see more new things like this. So here you can see that I got the ombre look. I didn't want too much color on the bottom. I just wanted like a splash of color. You can also do this by adding colored hair, but at this point my hair had already been in for a whole month, and I decided that I wanted something new before I took it out. So once again, hit the subscribe button, and now I'm ready to get into it. So this is the bowl that I'm using. This is the bleach that I use, BW2. To me, this lightens up really quick and it's cheap for weave. I use the 40 volume, the highest lift besides the 50. I'm not doing 50. It makes the hair dry. So I got the gloves and aluminum foil. And now I'm just going to cover my shirt up so I don't get this bleach all over my black shirt. So I'm about to pour the bleach in this bowl, but I'm going to show you how much I'm putting in here. I can't find my scooper, so I'm just going to have to pour it in. And I usually like a cake consistency, or except but it's not so runny, it's more so thick. This bleach is really dusty, so you have to, I'm usually holding my nose when I'm pouring this in here. And you can see how much I have. It's probably about like 3-4 scoops if you use a scooper when it's in. So now I'm just showing you how much I'm pouring in here. I don't like it too thick, because if you do, it dry the hair, the bleach on the hair gets dry, and then it's almost like it stopped processing. So I needed to be runny enough so it would continue to process. So right here it wasn't enough, so I had to pour some more in. It's better to be more runny than it is to be thick, because the more runny it is, it will continue to lift, and it will lift faster. But if it's too thick, then it will lift to a certain point and then stop and then rise like dough. I figured this also would be something different for everybody, because I didn't see anybody really doing coloring their braids like this. So for you who want to do a little something different to the braids that you already have, so all I'm doing is just picking out pieces and painting the bleach on. And then I'm going to take the full and cover those pieces up so it doesn't touch the rest of the hair. So it's really easy. Like, if you have no hair experience and you're a newbie at doing hair, you can do this. Everybody knows how to paint. So when I'm running it through with my hands, I'm just trying to make sure that it's all fully covered, that there will be no black spots, and that the hair will be even coverage. And now I'm just putting the full of it over it, so like I said, it will be out the way of other hair. And also, I don't want it to lay on other hair and dye pieces that I don't want colored. Also, when you put it in this full, it keeps in the heat, so it helps it to color quicker too. Versus if you just leave it down and air hit it, then it will not process and not lift as light, or it will lift slower, especially if you in air conditioner. So I'm just coloring I have about 6-7 pieces of foil, and I'm not bleaching all of them, I'm just bleaching a few pieces. I like to move fast, but still get the job done right. So I didn't really want that many pieces, I just wanted the highlighted look. And now that the hair is already bleached, I want the ends to be curlier since I'm loosening them up by coloring them. And here I'm just taking the rollers and just curling some of the ends. But you can see right here how it looks wet. And I just took a few rollers on the end also for this. So here's how it looked before I colored the ends. And then I'm going to show you the after look after it's colored. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave in a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.